All right, baby sleep, something we are all chasing, something I am really hoping goes better this time around than our first time around. We had one who did not like to sleep, but we did find a portable sound machine was incredibly helpful. Whether we were on a road trip or traveling and didn't want to pack up a whole bunch of stuff, this was really convenient to have. The one we had last time was battery operated, and the batteries would always die at the most inconvenient time. So we love our bigger hatch, and we are super excited that for this time around, they've come out with a Hatch Rest Go. So a couple things that I really like about it is one, it comes in great colors, so you can get it to match the rest of your strollers or car seats. But two, that it's a rechargeable one, so you're not always worrying about the battery piece. So you can have your white noise, your sound machine on trips, and a small little on-the-go sound machine that'll fit in your diaper bag.